this we will be discussing a few more salts, okay, like sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, calcium sulfate dihydrate. These are the list of important salts which will be having a great use in the daily life. So we will see what are those. Okay, let us see the use and the production of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. Okay, how is it prepared? Let us see. This is prepared whenever the brine, that is, what is brine? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called as brine. This is called as brine. When we pass carbon dioxide and ammonia in the brine at high pressures, it results in the formation of sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride and ammonium chloride. So this is the product of main importance. This is called as baking soda. Okay. So what is the use of baking soda? Okay. Baking soda is used as an antiseptic. Okay, it is a mild antiseptic. Next, it is used as a, because it is a mild base, it is used to treat the acidity. Okay, hence it is used as an antacid. So what is an antacid? The substance used to treat the acidity is called as antacid. Okay, so because baking soda is a mild base, it is used to treat the acidity. Okay, another use of sodium hydrogen carbonate is that it is used to prepare soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda acid fire extinguisher. So what is the fire extinguisher? It is the one which will put out the fire. Okay, so how it is working, let us see here. Whenever baking soda reacts with an acid, for example H2SO4, it forms sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and we know that carbon dioxide is a non-supporter of combustion, hence this is used to put out the fire. Okay, so this is the principle behind the working of a soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, this is also used to produce, or it is also used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate. Okay, it is used for the manufacture of or preparing of washing soda. Okay, so we will see here. So whenever we heat washing soda, whenever we heat the baking soda, we will be getting sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide are expelled. So this is called as washing soda. Okay. So these are the important uses of baking soda. Okay. Now we will be seeing what are the uses of the washing soda. Nothing but Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Okay. So here this is called as water of crystallization. Okay. What is water of crystallization? Let us see. It is the number of water molecules associated with one formula unit of a salt. Okay. One formula unit of a salt is called as water of crystallization. Okay. So the importance of water of crystallization we will see in next examples. So let us now see the examples of this. Why are we preparing this? Okay. We have just now seen that it can be obtained by heating. It can be obtained by heating baking soda. So whenever the baking soda is heated, it produces sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So because whatever we get that is not of pure, so what we will be doing is we will be recrystallizing it. Okay. So whenever we recrystallize it, so we will be getting pure washing soda, that is nothing but sodium carbonate decahydrate. Because 10 water molecules are there, we have to call it as decahydrate. Okay. So let us see the uses of washing soda. The name itself says it is used as a cleaning agent. Okay. Next, it is used in the manufacture of glass and paper. Okay. Sorry, not it is used in the manufacture of the glass industry. Next, it is used to remove the permanent hardness of water, for removal of permanent hardness of water. Okay. So what is hardness of water? Hardness of water is nothing but it is the water which contains chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. If the water contains chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, then the water is said to be having permanent hardness. So permanent hardness cannot be removed by boiling. It has to be removed by the treatment of water with washing soda, that is nothing but sodium carbonate. Okay. As well as sodium carbonate is also used for the preparation of borax. Borax is one of the products containing sodium. Okay. So these are the uses of washing soda. Next, another important salt, that is we will be seeing the bleaching powder. Okay. Bleaching powder is prepared whenever calcium hydroxide solution is made to react with chlorine gas. Okay, chlorine gas just now we have seen in the chlor-alkali process. Okay, chlorine gas is produced as a byproduct in the chlor-alkali process, nothing but the electrolysis of brine. That chlorine gas, whenever it is passed through calcium hydroxide solution, it will be giving us, okay, whenever it is passed through calcium hydroxide, it will be giving calcium oxychloride, that is called as the bleaching powder. Okay. Calcium oxychloride and water. Okay. Let us see the uses of bleaching powder. We know that already bleaching powder is used for the treatment of the water present in the swimming pools. Okay, so hence bleaching powder is used for the treatment of water. Treatment of water. Next, it is used as an oxidizing agent in the industries. Okay, it is used as an oxidizing agent, as well as it is used as a bleaching agent paper industry, as well as in the textile industry. So in order to bleach the paper as well as the textiles, we will be using the bleaching powder. Okay, these are the important uses of bleaching powder. Next, we will be seeing another important salt, that is gypsum. Okay, gypsum is nothing but calcium sulfate dihydrate. That means it has two water molecules. This is called as gypsum. So whenever gypsum is heated, okay, whenever it is heated below 100 degrees centigrade, heated below 100 degrees centigrade, it loses the water of crystallization and forms calcium sulfate hemihydrate, half water molecule. Okay, this is called as plaster of Paris. Okay, what happens if you heat? This is very important. If you heat above 100 degrees centigrade, calcium sulfate dihydrate will lose all the water molecules. Okay, heated above 100 degrees centigrade, whenever it is heated above 100 degrees centigrade, it loses all the water molecules, and this is called as dead burnt. Okay, what is dead burnt? Nothing but anhydrous calcium sulfate. Okay, why are we calling it as anhydrous? Because calcium sulfate, it is a hydrated salt. So whenever we are heating it above 100 degrees centigrade, it is losing all the water molecules, and this is called as dead burnt. Okay, because it cannot be further used. Whereas whenever it is heated below 100 degrees centigrade, it retains half water molecule. Half in the sense, actually molecules will not be half. One water molecule is shared by two calcium sulfate units. So hence, for each calcium sulfate unit, the share of water molecule is half. So this is how we will be writing it. Okay. So let us see what is the importance and what is the use of plaster of Paris. So in order to get plaster of Paris, we have to carefully hit gypsum. So uses of plaster of Paris. Actually we also call it as POP. Plaster of Paris. Okay. It is used for bone setting. Okay, whenever the bones get fractured, in order to set them,